Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So from any screen, you can either click the star here, which highlights the menu, select navigation, and you can press the center here, or you can press the thumb wheel, and then it's on view map, or where to, onto where to, click the center. Points of interest, and as I say, by moving your finger across there, which to be honest, it's all right when you stood still, but when you're driving and going along bumps, you're all over the place, so you're better using the thumb wheel then. So we need to go to address, and again you can either click the thumb wheel or click the center, and just move down to enter postcode. Click enter postcode. You'll see there you can it's got fingerprint recognition. Now I would have to do this with my left hand, but we'll just say no. We'll select that. P. I got it. R. Oh no. P's right. No, I deal me out on that one. Something else that didn't need inventing. That's stupid. I just don't know why you'd possibly want that. So we'll go back. The writing on that, no. Enter postcode. P. R. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Watnerdale, Preston. It's defaulted to numbers. PR5 4. With a bit of luck, that will go back to letters. J, and then S. In the center there, if we click in the center, that's a green tick, that's okay. It's asking what number you want, so we'll say 175 Chorley Road. And it's telling me there, if I click go or browse map or save, so I'll click go. That's it.
3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Victoria Road.
So unless you're left-handed and you can write with your left hand, I'd stick with the thumb wheel because that writing that's just did not need inventing.